Welcome, my friend. Welcome to DingDongSlots. This game, I don't know what it's called. It's called Lion Link. Lion Link. You're gonna play the 1 cent nom. Let's get that volume up. We need a ball. We need a ball to drop. We need that ball to drop for us. 6 of them, to be exact. Come on, gold chicken. I saw you far away, and you look at me with that blue eye, and you said, come over here and visit me. And put that $500 in here, so you can get a ball. We need that right there. We need that right there. One more. Yes! Oh, bonus time! I didn't wait too long, didn't we? Thank you, my friend. Thank you. Thank you. Let's see it. Let's see it, chicken. You told me to come and I came. Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Something good. Something good. Oh my God. That was amazing. Disappointing. Come on. Wow. Again. What you doing? What you doing? Oh my God. Come on. Redeem yourself. Redeem yourself, because I walked all the way over here, come to see you, and you gave me a bonus. Redeem yourself, my friend. He's gonna redeem himself, my friend. I see it. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Yes, yes. Come on. Ah, $43. $43. Look it better, but hey, 43. Let's go, my friend. Let's go. Can we get a re-trigger? Come on, Lion Link. Can we get a re-trigger on you? Can we get a re-trigger? Alright, straighten you up a bit. Let's go. We can get it. More. Oh. What was it? $130. $130. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That is nice. That is nice. We like that. Let's get some of that. 2 more amazing line head. Right? Will you send us some of that emoji line head that's gonna pay us? Let's go. We just started this session, and it's giving us a nice surprise already. We like that, don't we? Oh yeah. Let's go. 2 more amazing ones. Doors. Oh. Fishes. You got fishes. One last one. That pay us $13. $13. All right, come on. Doors. You like doors? Doors. My friend, that gave us $208 win and 25 cents. Thank you, Mr. Chicken. I will say thank you. The last spin. Let's go. We trigger. No. Oh, we getting done. I thought we were gonna do something special. But anyways, we're gonna do that last spin, right? Thank you, Mr. Bonus. We saw you coming. You called us and we came. And we're gonna do that last spin. Let's go. Oh, man, we just started. Let's go a little bit longer. Because we just started this relationship. We can't go yet. Ball drop. Oh, I thought the ball was gonna drop, bro. You gotta do that. I thought you were gonna drop that balls for us. Come on, chicken. Let's go. Oh, here for that ball to drop. You know it. Oh, look at that $60. We were here for that ball to drop. Yes. Thank you for being patient with us. Let's go. Let's fill it up. Let's get some big balls. Can you get some big balls? Give that mega ball, will you? Be a nice friend, give us that mega ball. That would be nice. One of them letters. One of them letters. Let's go. We got 12 so far. You think we're gonna get like 15, my friend? Oh, here's the last one right here. Let's go to slow motion right here. Send us some luck. Send us some luck. Let's go. Let's get it. Save it. Oh. Whoa. All right. Got a minute. $10 minute. My friend, $130. We dropped the ball. And this chicken got my attention to come over here. So he dropped the ball and he did. Thank you so much, Mr. Red. Go cock, Mr. Go cock. Let you go cock, 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 doodle. Look at the money flying. For $130, that's a lot of money flying, don't you think? All right, one last hoorah spin right here. Let's go. Hoorah, hoorah. Well, thank you so much, Mr. Chicken. And we will go find out some other game. We are gonna go with $4. $4. Let's go. Let's go, Mr. Treasure. Y'all shaking over there. How was your day today, my friend? I hope your day's going well. Oh, there were 2 diamonds. The diamond, the red emerald. Diamond, red, 2 red diamonds. One red diamond. Weirdo. You wanted a pop. Let's pop. I saw a buy, came by and said, look how nervous this one is. Look like about to give us a pop. Look like about to give us a pop. Come on. Wow. Do you chase machine, slot machine that does this? When it look like about to pop and you chase and chase. See if it's going to. Man, this machine playing hard to get. Do you continue or you cash out when the machine playing hard to get? My friend, we waited so long and finally we got it. We gotta send some of that lucky emoji, will you? Send some of that lucky emoji. We straighten this out a little bit, you know, happy. Send that. Right. With a DingDongSlots. Let's wake this baby up. Let's wake up. Let's wait. Dumping all that money. All right, fresh. Let's go. Wake up, baby. Wake up. go. Major. We need that major. We need that major. Oh, save it. Oh, man. We completed, my friend. We completed. Need one more major. $417. Oh yeah. Ooh, ring a ding ding ding, ring a ding ding ding. Ooh, look at this old boy right there. Yeah. We popped 2 of them. We can do that one last spin, my friend. One last one right here. Let's do it. Lucky. Oh, we want to get that one to pop. All right. Thank you so much. Check us out with other videos as well. If you haven't liked and subscribed, please do so. Leave a comment. We will respond to you. Bless you, my friend. I'm glad we played this together. We're going to check out some other one later.